Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. In this video, we are going to write a program how to print a list of odd numbers by using list compression. So here given as one data, it consists of list of even numbers and odd numbers. So in that list, find odd numbers and convert it to a list. So for that, I am going to create first of all one object. So that is odd. So it is one empty list. So in that empty list, I am going to write for loop I for I in data. Now check the condition for odd numbers. If I % to not equal to 0, so then that number is odd number. So that was stored in I and converted into list. Now print odd. These are the odd numbers which are in the given data, and this is the process of generating list of odd numbers by using list compression. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.